How to restore missing messages on the Messenger app. So if you've recently reinstalled Messenger and you're missing some conversations, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. So first thing we're going to do is load up the Messenger app, click on the settings bar in the bottom right hand side, and then click on settings. Now click on privacy and safety and click on end-to-end encrypted chats. Now click on message storage and you should have an option here for reset pin. Click on this and then just go and set a new pin code for your Messenger chats. Now once you've done this, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, close out of Messenger. You can then open up the Facebook app and you need to find the profile of the person you're trying to message. Now from their profile page, click on the message button, and sometimes doing this will restore all of the old chats. Now if it's still not working, close out of Messenger once again, hold down on the app from your home screen and then press remove app. Now press delete and this will remove all of the data. Go and click on delete. Once you've done this, load up the App Store and then you'll need to reinstall Messenger onto your device. Once you've done this, that should go and restore any missing conversations.